Welcome. We're talking about arrays in the screencast. So in the previous lesson we looked at subprograms. We can begin this lesson by attempting this quiz. Some of the material we'll be covering today. What position is 3 in this list? 2. What position is 7 in this one-dimensional array? 1. Less than or equal to. Does the procedure return a value? No. Dummy question. A function is a named block of code that can be reused to perform repetitive tasks. Is 5 equal to 10? No. Greater than? Is 35 greater than 24? Yes. Can a list refer to multiple items or elements? Yes. Can a two-dimensional array be referenced with x and y component? Yes. Math power xy, x and y are parameters not equal to. Does project scope mean a variable can be accessed from anywhere in the program or project? Yes. Greater than or equal to. Does a project scope variable have to have Does a project scope variable have to have a global scope? Yes. Does a function return a value? Yes. Scope refers to where variables can be used. Yes. Less than. Okay, so that's the end of the quiz. So let's return to have a look at our learning outcomes, demonstrate an understanding of the need for, and demonstrate an understanding of how to use one-dimensional and two-dimensional arrays. First of all, we have a look at one-dimensional arrays. An array provides a means of accessing multiple elements or items with a unique identifier. So we've got 4 variables here, and we can replace the above with one variable. So 4 variables n0 to n3 have been replaced with one variable. I'll have a look at the arrays worksheet. So, structure of an array. The diagram above shows the structure of an array called Z-array. It contains 7 elements, 5 to 35, and each element has an index from 0 to 6. Arrays start from position 0. They are of fixed size. They cannot be extended to increase their capacity. So we can add items to an array. So if you want to place 15 here, we type in Z-array 2 equals 15. And if we want to place 20 in position 3, we type Z-array 3 equals 20. So the index is used to identify elements or items in the array. So to access number 2, access the number in index position 2. First of all, we assign the value 2 to the variable index. Then we say send Z-array index to display, and that will display number 15. So here are the some questions here. Just use the arrays worksheet and continue with the questions. So we've got question 1, 2, 3. I believe there are 5 questions in total. So just run through the questions and we'll have a look at these solutions in a little while. So we've had a look at the arrays worksheet. We'll have a look at our keywords now. They are list, variable, array, index, one-dimensional array, two-dimensional array. So what I'm going to do now is have a look at the solutions to the worksheet. So here are our solutions. So what I'll do, I'll run through the solutions first of all, then we have a look at the code. So what subject would you like to study? I'm going to select history, and it's telling me no, we do not offer this. So the number of students that attended maths on day 2, 18. The number of students that attended chemistry on day 4, 17. And it's asking me what lecture, and I'm going to pick computer science. It's telling me that the total number of students that attended this lecture in the week was 92. So if we just have a look at the questions over here. So question 3 is update Imani test was 55. So the bit of code here says if score update is greater than Imani test in position 4, which is 54, then we're going to update Imani test in position 4 with score update, which is this one here. Okay, so question 4, create an array called courses. We just follow this format here. And the last one is chemistry. And question 4, part 2, replace biology with psychology. So we say courses 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So we're just replacing the value here with psychology. And question 4b, let user know if the subject is offered. So it says, what subject would you like to study? I put history here. And if we look at this code here, if the request is in courses, it would have said, yes, we do. So we offer this. In all other cases, so else, print, we do not offer this. And that's what we've got here. We do not offer this. And moving down to two-dimensional array now. So the number of students that attended maths on day 2. So we type in print lecture numbers, and that will pull out the first array 1 in position 2, and that will be 18. So that's array 1, that's position 2, so let's pull that one out. And then the number of students that attended chemistry on day 4. So again we go 0, 1, 2, 3. So that's the array that we're looking at. And then we're looking for item number 4, which is here. And that's why we've got 17 here. And then the final one, it's just adding up the total number of students that attended a particular lecture. So for example, we've pulled out this one, computer science. So we just pull out the relevant items, add them up, and then produce the total. So if we just extend this slightly so we can have a better look. Okay, so this is the structure of the two-dimensional array. So this is the start point, and this is the end point. And we've got array 1, array 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So those are our subjects. And within each subject, we have an item number. So if we just look at this one in isolation, so this one, when we're trying to pull out 18 students, we just simply identify which subject we're referring to, and then we look at the item within that subject. Okay? So we have a look at our summary now. So we learned that arrays enable multiple elements to be referenced with a single identifier. We learned that indices start from position 0 and is used to identify elements in arrays. We looked at one-dimensional and two-dimensional arrays. And the task for you to do in your own time is to state and explain 2 advantages of arrays. So that concludes this screencast, and I hope to see you again for the next one.